Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, it's going to be a skincare routine. I'm going to start off by taking off my makeup with my aloe vera infused makeup wipes, and I'm just going to take one and just take off my makeup. Now, every time I do a full face of makeup, I always like to use a makeup wipe to remove my makeup first, and then after that I'll go in, of course, with like my regular cleanser just to remove everything else that the makeup wipe didn't really get. And these makeup wipes smell really good, but yeah, that's what I usually do. I always like to remove my makeup with some makeup wipes, and I bought these makeup wipes at Marshall's. Also, if you put on any makeup like on your neck, like foundation or bronzer, stuff like that, it's good to take it off from there as well. And now I'm gonna go in with my Biore Blue Agave plus baking soda balancing pore cleanser. This is the cleanser I've been using, and I will be using my Vanity Planet spin brush, which I absolutely love. And yeah, this is the way oh yeah, I forgot it fell out. Yeah, it fell out while I was trying to show it to the camera, and I was also distracted by watching my novela Teresa. But yeah, this is the Vanity Planet spin brush set. It comes with 3 brushes. This is actually the one that they recommend to use like on a daily basis. Yeah, so they recommend to use this on a daily basis, and it has like 2 spin 2 spin speeds. So like that's the first speed, and the second speed, oh no, that was the second, but yeah. And it comes with these two other brush heads. So it comes originally with 3 brush heads, which the first one was the one that I just showed you, and this one is the silicone one, which is used for like a daily basis as well, but for people with more sensitive skin. And this one is for exfoliating, which they recommend, also I recommend it as well, to only use it 2 to 3 times a week, just so that way it doesn't like scratch your face, because that one's a little bit more tough. And now I'm just going to be washing my face with this spin brush. I've been using this spin brush for like about a month and a half or 2, and I've really seen a difference in my skin. My brother, he actually has like really bad acne, but he's been using this for like about less than a month, or like almost a month, and it's really helped clear his skin out a lot. So yeah, I really would recommend this brush. Now I'm gonna go in with my Dickinson's Original Witch Hazel Pore Perfecting Toner, and I'm going to be using a cotton round to just go ahead and wipe that around my face. I always like to go in with a toner as well, just because it restores the pH balance on your skin, and also it takes off any residue of makeup that was left on your face that maybe the makeup wipe or the cleanser didn't really get off. So that's what I really use my toner for. And now I'm going in with my Olay Active Hydrating Hydration Active Face Moisturizer, and I'm just going to be putting I'm just going to be putting a good amount of that on my face and my neck as well. And now I'll be going in with my Pride Pink Diamond Eye Cream. Now this is kind of a high-end brand eye cream. That's my problem area, so when it comes to like eye creams, I really invest in that. This eye cream is not really that hydrating. In fact, it kind of feels kind of mattifying, so if you have like dry under eyes, I wouldn't recommend this eye cream. But it actually feels like those face primers that like fill in your pores that are like kind of silicone-y. That's what this kind of feels like. So yeah, I'm trying this one out. I haven't seen a difference really yet, but I've only been using it for a week, so that's probably why. I also like to use my ring finger to kind of massage the eye cream in, just because it's the gentlest finger, so it puts less pressure on there, and I put it on my smile lines and on like in between my eyebrows. I think it's called like your 11 lines. So yeah, that's where I like to put that. Now I'm gonna go in with my TL Advanced Tightening Neck Cream by Strivectin. Now I'm only 22 years old, so I don't really need to use a neck cream right now, but my mom and my grandma have scarred me and told me I'm gonna get a turkey neck if I don't use any neck cream, so that's why I use that. And I forgot to show this, but I'm actually using this face mist by St. Ives, and it's the lavender scent. Now after I've applied all of my products on my face, I like to go in with, I believe it's called a jade roller. I got mine at Marshall's for like $8, and I just use that to really make all the products that I used on my skin kind of just like sink in. So I use it all over my face, on my neck, and in the mornings, like, well, right before I use it at night, I mean after I use it at night, I put it in the freezer, and in the mornings I use it, and it's good to reduce like the puffiness. It also gets like the blood flow going on your skin, which is good as well. So I just use that all over my face. And now I'm going in with this lipid balm by ColourPop, which I absolutely love. I've been using the chapsticks from ColourPop for about like 2 months now, and they're my favorite. So yeah guys, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. This was my skincare routine. Please like, share, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys, God bless.